These are 5 places in Greece where you can swim in winter. Number 1 is my favorite, the hot springs of Pozar. They are a 1.5 hour drive from Thessaloniki. The water is about 37 degrees and the waterfalls are cold. The river is cold, so there's a sauna effect if you want. There are 2 of these smaller pools and there's a large swimming pool, same temperature, where you can actually swim in lanes. And the entrance fee is just like 2-3 euros. Number 2 is Lake Vouliagmeni in Athens, or just outside of Athens on the Athens Riviera coast. These waters are also believed to be therapeutical. Water is not hot, but it's also not cold because all year round it is above 20 degrees Celsius, around 22-24 degrees most of the time. The entrance fee is not very cheap, it's 16 euros at the moment on weekdays, but I did have a nice swim there in December when it was only 11 degrees outside. If you don't want to pay that kind of money, opposite the road of Lake Vouliagmeni there's a little beach, and because it is so secluded with a backdrop of some rocks, it is very warm even in winter with 11 degrees outside. Vouliagmeni, the area in general, has warm waters. There's even a winter swimmers club there. Number 3 is Crete. Crete is in the far south of Greece, and thus in winter it's one of the warmest places of Greece. Do not expect summer beach weather. You'll find that just like on the little beach in Vouliagmeni in Athens, when the sun is out in winter there are many secluded beaches where it is warm enough to swim. By that I mean the air is warm enough if the sun is out. Of course, the water in winter is not going to be super warm. Number 4 are actually 2 hot springs for the price of 1. If you drive up from Athens to Evia, you can visit the thermal baths of Evia and the hot springs of Thermopylos all in one trip. The Thermopylos hot springs haven't been, so I stole a picture, and these are the ones in Evia. Last but not least, number 5, an indoor spa. Apart from the outdoor hot springs, which there are many more of in Greece, for just a few examples, there are also many indoor spas that use thermal water. One of the most famous ones is in Loutraki, which is only a 1 hour drive from Athens. It has a sauna and a hammam as well, and it is literally one of the best spas you can go to in Greece. Enjoy your winter trip to Greece and remember to follow for daily Greece travel tips.